Hello, this is Kim, and I am going to show you today some materials that you can get from Country Craft Creations. They have started a hybrid junk journal collection, and they have made some collection accessories that can go with it. We recently did a rodeo hop, and the theme or the materials that I used came from this collection. So I want to walk through now that we've done the rodeo so that you can see what those papers look like. So let me first start with the actual collection that is considered the hybrid journal collection. Now you get more, you get, I believe, 2 or 3 sheets of each, but because I made a project with it, I don't have 2 or 3 of each. So I'm just showing you one of each paper. There is one that I used all of, and so I will just have to show you a scrap. So again, this is the Cowgirl Way. You don't obviously have to use this for a junk journal. I used it actually for an ephemera box, and some of the other designers used it for different projects too. So we want to show you that it's versatile. So let me show you the collection. Now this is 8.5 by 11, and you'll notice that there is no border that you have to trim off. It goes from edge to edge. And a lot of times in other collections, you do have a white border that you have to work with. Also, then you have that center that divides it into 2 if you just want to fold it in half. I love this one right here. That's my all-time favorite. So then you have your horses and your barn. And then on the other side, you have the horseshoes, but then you have this newsprint and like rawhide, different, a little bit of different coloring here and there. You have another one. This, I always like the ones with the cowgirls and the dresses and boots. So then over here we have some different pictures, like a collage that were added. We have lace, flowers, a cow, that type of thing. The florals with the cowhide. And then I like that turquoise that's been brought into it over here. We have the cowgirl hat with some flowers. We've got some of that turquoise weaved in there. The saddle with flowers. And then you have the 8.5 by 11 spread of the inside of the barn, but you could easily divide that in half. The barrel with the flowers, I like that pop of color. And then just using the color scheme and adding flowers down at the bottom. Again, at 8.5 by 11, but it would be easy to divide this in half. I like the outline of the cowgirl there. We have another cowgirl hat. There's also, I don't know what you call it because I'm not a cowgirl. It's just like a rope, I guess, or is that a saddle underneath of it? I can't really tell. But then you have a different saddle, like a up close one with different flower pattern, and again the pop of the turquoise. Here you have like a aged wood. You have your cute sheep on the right and another barn here. Very vibrant. There's the back of that. Again, the feminine touches, even though it's a Western theme, the pops of femininity are obvious. Beautiful horse. You can see script. You have the gate, which I love this part. And then you have some script over here. There's some peaches and turquoise. And then more of the hat with the flowers. And I think that's part of the saddle. I don't know. Then you also have 2 of each of the following. These are lined, so if you're making a journal, this would be great to use. So one side is lined, one is not. And then here is, so this one is darker. This one's more light. And then on the back we have this. Okay, so the one that I'm missing, see, I used it, so I just have scraps, but there was the turquoise on the back, which I loved, and so I used most of it. And then this was the color scheme on the other side. So I don't have a full sheet to show you of that, but that is called the Cowgirl Way. Oh, where'd it go? Here it is. The Cowgirl Way, okay? And you do get 2, I believe, of the lined pieces and 3 of the other. So there's one piece of the hybrid journal collection called the Cowgirl Way. There is also a companion pack so that you can have some elements to cut. Also, if you have the Brother Scan and Cut, there is a black outline on most things so that you could use your Brother Scan and Cut to cut out these elements. So this makes your job a little bit easier if you're making a journal. You do get 2 different colors of a calendar, and you get 2 of each of these too. And then on the other side, there's that real pretty, reminds me of like a denim handkerchief. And then there's a brown version of that also. So you could, they're going to show you that, yes, you could use this as a journal, but please remember you don't have to make it a journal. You could make it an album, a folio, you could make cards, you could do it just like, regular paper collections, but they make it easy for you if you choose to make a junk journal. So there's the trek. I don't know if you can see the outline of the Cowgirl here. There's the reverse side. I'm just showing you one of each. Then we have the girl in the cowboy boots, holding flowers, cowboy hat here, but it's obvious that that could be a spine. And there's the opposite side. So here are a lot of the elements that you can use. You can use these for paper clip toppers. So you could cut them out, you fold them in half with the paper clip in between. You have some tabs. You have border strips. And these do not have a back, okay? You have some, I believe they're 3x4. Let me just double check. Yep, they're 3x4 cards. You have some other elements you can use also. I have a ticket that was here that I used, so I don't have that. And then you have some journaling cards on the back. Some bookmarks, 6 of those. This isn't my first rodeo, or excuse me, this ain't. Dirt is Cowgirl glitter. That's funny. Nothing. Oh, there is. There's a solid color here. It kind of has a paper rippled, aged look. Here's some more elements. These can be corner pockets, postcard, tag, decorative pieces. This one's plain. So if you're using it as a journal, I like the numbered labels here, place to write, your frames, guitar. Again, nothing on the back because you would cut those and use those for the journal elements. So you can see the black line around it to make it easy to use your scan and cut. So we've got some animals here, a couple sayings, like a book card, the seed packet. When you fold it in half, if you want to put a paper clip in between, you can, but it's got the lines there so you could journal. The windows, like the stamp pieces, bows, the milk can. I love that one. The sayings, some of the sayings, just a girl who loves horses, cowgirls don't cry, we ride, bold boots, gentle heart, she leaves sparkles in her trail dust. Love those. This is a pocket card, like a pocket, that's why you have the 1/2-inch borders. You would fold those, tuck those under. You would place that on top of this, so you have a pocket tag. Then you have some oval type pieces of ephemera that would be handy. 3 more pocket shapes. Oh, I accidentally grabbed 2 of those. And then there is a mini booklet. So during the rodeo roundup, I think it was called, the crop we had for Country Craft Creations, the designer, Jacqueline Hart, who made this collection, shows you how to make this mini book. Okay, so that's the companion pack. Again, I showed you one of each. I believe you get 2 of each. Let's see, there's one more that goes with this, and there is a solids and plaids so that you can, you kind of have to tone it down sometimes. So you get these different plaids, they're back to back, and you get 2 of each. And then you've got the solid colors. So let's take a look at those. So here's an example of the peach and the cream color. Here's the dark brown and the light blue. There's one plaid here that's got more peaches and blues, and the other side is more of a muted brown. And then this one has a stronger emphasis on the blues, and the other side like so. So that's the solid and plaids. Okay, that comes like that. And then the final thing I want to show you that would go with this collection, or you could use separately obviously, is there are some slimline card fronts. You do get 3 of each, and then there are 2 sentiment cards in here that I'll show you. Again, you don't have to use them for cards, but that's obviously an option. So let's take a look at those. So again, you would get 3 of each design, and then you get the sentiment cards. So this would be, it's called Country Vow. So it looks like they're going to the chapel here. But there is a black line here, so you could cut this out and mat it on another paper. And I'm trying to decide, I might use 1 of each to make a card and then use the other 2 of each to make something else. So I'm trying to figure out what exactly I want to do to show you. This is my favorite. So you've got a young girl with her cowgirl hat and her wedding dress with a floral bouquet, riding off into the sunset. And then here are just 3 pictures related to the theme of the cowgirl wedding. Again, we can cut those out and use them for something else. You could use the outside border and then mat it on a different one. And then you have the sentiments. One is black and white and the other one is colored to match the collection. They say the same thing. So let's celebrate, saddle up for forever, boot stomp and love, best wishes, country love story, boots and kisses, boots, lace, and happily ever after, riding into forever, you plus me equals country magic, congratulations, and happily hitched. Okay, so this is kind of unique to Country Craft Creations, having these slimline fronts. Again, we say it one more time, 3 of each of these and then 1 of each of the sentiments. So all of them relate to Cowgirl Way, the main journaling collection. If you're interested, I will put links in the description box below, so you can just click on those links and find it easily. And if you haven't yet, take a look at the designers pages for Country Craft Creations for our rodeo projects. There were a lot of cute ones using this collection. So, all right, thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.